Why, is it that cold out? You need a sweater?
No. This is the Saturday of the reopening of the third wave lockdown.
10 o'clock at night, we're gonna go to Clifton Hill.
Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. Today's video will be going to Niagara Falls for the third wave lockdown reopening.
These are ice cream shop. Spooky's open, arcade's still closed. I think most things will be closed. This is Clifton Hill on the third wave opening.
The SpongeBob 4D Theater is still closed.
Now they have outdoor patio open today.
You'll see that there's more people on Saturday compared to Friday.
And the patios are open. This is used to be the Guinness World Book of Records. They went under. And Movie Land is still boarded up. The Pharaoh's head's missing. Black Museum Star is still closed. The ice cream shop on the corner is closed. Wendy's is open. Playland's closed. On the castle still closed. Mirror Maze still closed, and Great Canadian Midway is closed. Laser Tag's closed. Fudge Factory's open. Dracula's Haunted Castle's closed. And the ice cream shops are open. Gift shop's open. Going in? Harley Davidson, they were open though. Tim Hortons is open. Dairy Queen's open. Arcade's open. I think they're open. Yeah, sure. I think they're closed, but there are people in there. Believe it or not, it's closed. Oh, Burger King's still open. Sometimes they close early. Beaver Tail's open, takeout only. Frankenstein's Haunted Castle is open.
Ripley's Movie Theater is closed right now. And here we are at the corner of Victoria Street and Clifton Hill.
Lineup to get into Kelsey's. Big lineup.
Niagara Speedway's open.
Zombie attack closed.
And you'll notice that this area is more crowded.
Here. Line up to get into the arcade. The miniature golf's open.
The Skywheel is still closed. It's hard to see, but the bars on my left, the patios are pretty busy. And currently there is still no indoor dining, just on the patios. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I hope to see you at our next video.